Hi, Dan Toombs, the curry guy here, and this is Caroline, and we are in Hoian, Vietnam. Looking forward to experiencing all this city and the area have to offer. If you are interested in Vietnam or Vietnamese food or both, be sure to watch this video all the way to the end because we have a lot to share with you.
And I'm mostly looking forward to going to the beach later on this morning. A beach called An Bang Beach, which in the photos looks spectacular. So and we have a nice seafood restaurant.
And we got some nice weather today too.
Yeah.
So come along for the ride.
Can I change your ride? Or is it something you can hide? Rearrange your time? Is it just a dream inside? Just a little pillow talking, nothing but some late night walking. Can we bring it home again?
We're at a restaurant called Chien on An Bang Beach right now, and despite its French meaning, it is not served dog. This is a seafood restaurant. So we've ordered some steamed crabs and also some scallops, and they're going to be grilled scallops. They've got like an onion sauce on them. So this should prove very good. Beautiful day here today. Just kind of a bit cool, nice cool breeze, and the food looks, from what we can see on the other tables, looks incredible. The fresh crabs were first just thrown into some boiling hot water for about a minute and then steamed with the lemongrass. The scallops were grilled over hot charcoal with the simplest but most delicious of ingredients.
It's absolutely gorgeous crab.
I can hardly wait to dive into this.
Can't get fresher than that. I think you meant to put some lime on it, and a bit of salt, and a chilli.
That's so nice.
And the crab's amazing. And look, you've still got the scallops to try.
Amazing.
Are you going to try a scallop now as well, Dan?
I sure am, yes. Look at this. Covered in a onion oil, some peanuts. They've even chopped it up a bit for me. So this is a scallop that they've chopped up a bit. Oh my God. I can't let any of this go to waste. The onion. The onion oil.
Strip there, Dan.
Incredible. So good. Recipe to be made with clams, mussels, oysters. So it's a good all-round. If you've got some nice fresh shellfish, go for it. You'll love it. The recipe's on my blog now, and there's a link right down below this video. Inspired by the round fishing boats that are famous in the Hoi An area, we decided to go find some for ourselves and take a ride. It was hot and humid, so we opted to just go out for about 40 minutes, which put us back about £3 each, or $4.50. Really good deal. It was absolutely beautiful out there. Was it a bit touristy? Well, yes. But we had a great time, and I highly recommend taking a round boat out if you're in the Hoi An area.
Hi, we're at Chic, Chillax, a place in the middle of some rice fields that we only found out about because they followed Dan's Instagram account. Seems like a really cool, popular place. We've just ordered some food. We've got squid coming and a chicken dish coming. And yeah, we got here on our motorbikes that we hired yesterday, and we've got those for 2 days. So it took about 10 minutes from Hoi An, and we're looking forward to it here.
Just just ordered some garlic prawns. Look absolutely fantastic. Nice big prawns. Dipping them in that chili sauce. This food looks absolutely spectacular. We were just expecting a little snack. I'm sure we were not expecting anything like this. Look at this squid, beautiful squid.
That's so good.
I know I want to come back here for dinner too.
Too many places to try. We want to go back to everywhere we've been here.
We haven't had one bad meal, have we? But this is extraordinary. Look at here. These are chicken wings. Look at that chicken wing. Give that a try.
Kid.
Sweet, sour, some nice chilies in it as well.
So good.
And with that amazing meal behind us, we're back off to our hotel to plan further food excursions. Hi, I'm standing in the middle of a rice field here. We've been riding scooters all around today, all around Hoian. And this is a rice field. They've pulled this rice. This is all rice here that they've harvested, and they're drying it on the sidewalk here. And you see this all over the place. I mean, I was just riding the scooter and almost ran into some. I'm really glad I didn't, because I would have gone sliding. But it's just that's all the rice aging right here in the sun. I think it's pretty cool, so I thought I'd stop and show it to you. Over the next few days, we experienced some really good food at restaurants and food stalls throughout Hoi An. And one of the best finds we found was a place called Cho Hoian, which is an indoor market, and the food was the freshest, most delicious you can find. You really need to stop here if you're in the area.
Lovely, thank you.
Right. We are in Cho Hoian Market. This place is fantastic. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Decided to try and find something to eat, and boy, have we.
I think we've
this
succeeded.
Place, yeah, there's lots and lots of different stalls with freshly made noodles. We've got, we just ordered up some Quang Mai, which is very popular in the area, and also some Khao Lao.
Which has already been.
Yeah, oh, look at that!
Table.
Look at that! And that is our breakfast. This is like a breakfast for kings, I'm telling you, or queens.
It's better than bacon and eggs.
Yeah. There's so many things you can get here. Not just the fresh noodles, but they've got wontons and fried wontons and soups and you name it. So if
and
you're
the lovely cold coffee.
Yeah, I love the cold coffee here. So yeah, I'm gonna get eating. I've had a few Khao Lao since being here. This one is really good, and I've given up trying to eat them with chopsticks, because these noodles, these fresh noodles, they're just really slippery and they're so difficult. So I'm gonna put a spoon under here. So nice. Big pieces of pork. We've got these little rice noodle croutons, and even a prawn there, some prawns here. But watch, I'm gonna try and eat it with my, I did it, I picked it up.
Get it in your mouth.
Really
You can
good.
see the lovely noodles in the background, the yellow and white ones, but that's for the Quang Mai, isn't it?
It's the other ones next to it.
Yeah, so good though, both massive pots of noodles.
Those noodles look amazing with the
Really
turmeric
good.
in them.
They're really good. Really nice and colourful noodles.
What else is in there? Yeah.
Got some lettuce and some, I think it's chili sauce at the bottom.
Are there prawns and stuff as well?
I've got one prawn, yeah. Let me taste that sauce at the bottom. I don't think it's spicy. It's really good.
Delicious broth at the bottom. Really, really good.
And look at that pork that's just come out. That's pork, isn't it? Look at that she's got there. Look at that. Wow.
Wow.
So good. That's why it's so good.
Broth is so good with the noodles.
It shows the lovely pork there.
Oh, look at that.
Pork right next to you, Dan.
I am ready for lunch.
You haven't finished your breakfast. Oh, we better go for a big hike then. With some more food in.
This was absolutely incredible. Absolutely. Seriously, thank you. Come on, come on.
And so inexpensive on such good value.
Yeah, it is.
We've spent about less than £4 for the whole meal with 2 coffees. So exceptional
Definitely
value.
worth coming right here, right in the door.
Thank you very much.
This is the stage in the video where we had planned to take you around to many of the different banh mi food stalls and restaurants in Hoi An. Banh mi's are French-inspired baguette sandwiches, and they're really good with all the different fillings. They can be vegetarian, they can have meat in them, they can even have pate in them. Very good and definitely worth a try. So I decided to put together a special video on how you can make banh mi's at home, and that is coming up very shortly. So be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss my upcoming video on how to make banh mi's. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. We have absolutely loved our stay in Hoi An, and we plan to come back very soon. The food has been amazing. Everything about this place is amazing. Please be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell at the bottom if you want to see when we have new videos coming out. We do have a lot of them on the way. Thank you very much.